this session. It. I'm not going to trade it. I can't concentrate like this. By Rithmic connection issues. Rithmic trader with their trading connection issues. Them. This is a joke, guys. 21st century, 2024. You can't put on a trade because it has connection issue, state error, connection, Rithmic, blah blah blah. It's not professional, it's unprofessional. Today is out of the dumpster. Maybe I should take a walk.
A little while later.
Okay, well, I had to come out for a walk. As I said it, I just had to walk this off because what happened on the stream, it was crazy. But as traders, we all face with these emotions like FOMO, fear of entering, not just missing out, and also rage trading. I mean rage trading, revenge trading. So I felt everything this morning, but I got to the point where I always wanted to talk about how to eliminate all this stuff, you know, because it's not that complicated if you think about it. The thing that, of course, many times helps you is to just take a walk, do some exercise, step away from the charts. Everybody says the same, I know that. But for me, to practice discipline, and I know I said it before, it was the use of a mechanical system. And that's what I do. So this morning I had two perfect entries, picture perfect entries actually. And of course I had the connection issue, but I knew after I had a second chance too, which of course I couldn't take, I knew that I just can't take another trade. I know I have my rules, I have my check marks. I knew I would have to wait like at least another maybe 2 or 3 hours for my next setup. So so by having these rules and following a certain set of rules, it doesn't really have to be smart money. It can be anything else. It can be support, resistance, whatever, trend lines, you name it. But as long as you have your check marks by using any kind of mechanical system, you will know when to enter and when not to enter. You should not be a discretionary trader at the first phase, especially if you're starting out, because if you're a discretionary trader, you are just going to enter into, I mean, based on your emotions. And after a situation that happened this morning with me, I think I can say I'm glad I'm not a discretionary trader. My trading performance got way better in the past couple of months since I'm using a mechanical approach. Yes, I know I'm using exponential moving average, I'm using RSI, but guys, this helped me so much. And by the way, we were talking about fear. Sometimes you start a session and I know many of you guys are feeling the same, like you're having some kind of a fear, especially if you're in profit. For example, you had a few days in profit and you're a little bit of a discretionary trader, and all of a sudden you start to feel some kind of a stressful feeling in your stomach, like when you're entering the trade, especially after the New York Open. And at those times comes the gambling factor, which of course blows your account away. I'm just saying that if you're using a set of rules, even if you lose like 3 or 4, even 5 or more trades in a row, but you know you have an edge, then you will be confident in yourself that, okay, I lost like 3 trades in a row, but I'm perfectly fine executing the next one, or I'm perfectly fine to continue with the same trade tomorrow, because as long as you backtested it and you know you have an edge, you have nothing to fear of. Even if you lose those trades, you should know that you're going to be absolutely fine. You're going to be absolutely fine. and you don't have to jump into every opportunity. If you have a loss, you will know that you're not going to jump in the next minute just to revenge trade. I could have done that, but that's not how it works, really. And I'm surprised, especially in the past 2 weeks, that I was able to maintain these evaluation accounts and my funded account without having a loss. Because technically, of course, losing days and weeks, even months can come. But the past couple of days, especially more than 2 weeks actually, I was in a winning streak, because the break-even day is a winning streak as well. It counts as a winning. But guys, the simplest way to eliminate your fears in trading is to stick to a system. And you're going to have days when you're going to lose, but you have to trust your edge. You just have to trust it. Don't remind yourself that you were right or wrong, because that's going to set you up for an error for the next time. All you have to do is execute. Just execute the trade. Have a risk management, maximize your number of trades, or you can maximize your losses in a dollar amount or whatever. So have a risk management plan and have your trading edge. That's it. And there's going to be no fear anymore when you're entering a trade. And of course, FOMO is a different thing, because fear of missing out can happen out of technical issues, which happened to me. And I felt the urge to jump into the market again, but I'm glad I actually didn't do anything stupid. Trust me, as soon as you get your trading edge, the fear is going to be over. You're going to be in the market every day, even after a losing day or a series of losing trades, like with zero emotion. That's the goal. Zero emotion, guys. It sounds simple, but it's deeper than that. We could talk about this for hours, and we're going to talk about it on the live streams as well. But don't strategy hop. Don't try all kinds of different things in a trading session, and don't use more than one or maximum two entry models. I'm using one entry model. It holds me back from those times and those price levels that I shouldn't be entering or shouldn't be in the market at all. And it specifically shows me when to enter and when to search for a trade. All right? So if you're curious about it, you can check it at pip.ninja. I'm sharing all the information on my Discord. The link is down below. It's only $10 a month. But guys, really, we're building something here. I'm very happy for the community, and I'm happy for all your support. And I'm sorry if I was raging too much, but I thought I'm going to share this with you. So it's a little bit of a walks and talks episode. I'm sorry, but fighter jets are flying like crazy. We have a military airbase not too far from here. It's almost like Top Gun. So I thought I'm just going to come down to the lake and have a great time. My God, these are loud. Wow. Anyway, just join the streams and subscribe to the channel. All right. See you guys next time.